Hi, I'm Coach Eric Plini. Thank you so much for taking the time to listen to this video. I am here to give you a little bit of an introduction into what transferable strength is all about. It kind of sounds like what it is, but the way I'm going to get you to develop this transferable strength, the strength that you're going to be able to use in your life, in your sports, and things that you do, is it all starts with breathing. I have a carefully curated 6 to 8 minute warm up in which I'm going to teach you to utilize your breath in ways that you most likely have not used before. This is going to give you feedback into your core, help you develop the abdominals that you've always wanted, and more importantly, help you perform with a higher baseline level of strength because you're now utilizing your diaphragm and breath in a way that is supporting and working with your body and not against you. After that warm up, we go into some carefully curated movement prep that builds us up to our two main circuits. And you are going to crush those circuits. You're going to move better than you've ever moved before because I am going to help you earn that movement. I am going to show you how to move well and move in the most optimal way that the body was designed to do so. So this class definitely requires a little bit more focus and attention than others, but it is going to be well worth it. If you have any questions, please reach out to me if you want to know more about this class. I look forward to seeing you there.